You like the fresh stew? I know I do. Let's make some food. We're making one pot chili. Yes. Even though chili's in one pot, I guess. That's always is. I don't know why it should not be, but anyway, yeah, we're making chili. Because it's cold outside and I want chili. So, yeah, let's make some chili. Alright, so as you can see, it looks like a lot. I know it looks like a lot. But I promise it's a lot, but it's not that much. I promise. But it's all gonna fit in this guy, this silver thing hiding over here, and everything's gonna be okay. So let's make some chili. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut our onion. But I have here just one whole white onion, and then we're gonna put with 2 pounds of ground beef. But I wanna cook my onion and my ground beef together. Okay, now we're gonna take 2 pounds of ground beef and we're gonna start browning it in inside of our pot, and then we'll add our onion as well. Okay, then we're gonna add our onion. Okay, give this a good stir and just till the onions become translucent and the ground beef is completely brown. The heck? What? Oh, man, my little butane can's out. Well, have no fear, the stove is here. Let's go to the stove. Alright, so our ground beef is brown and our onions are somewhat translucent, and they'll cook down as we continue this. So let's go ahead and add in our other stuff. Real quick, I added salt and pepper into this while this was cooking, just to flavor the meat. Okay, let's add some chili powder. We're gonna add about a 1/4 cup. We're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of paprika. Okay, we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of garlic. Okay, then we're gonna add about a tablespoon of onion. Okay, then we're gonna add about a 1 teaspoon of cumin. All right, I got my heat turned down low. Now we're gonna add about a tablespoon of tomato paste. Okay, then we're gonna add a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. We're gonna add a can of crushed tomatoes. And then we're gonna add a can of dark kidney beans. Look at that. Pretty solid. It's very thick, but that's okay. So we're gonna leave that on low and cover this with a lid, and we'll see about we're gonna let this sit for at least a half an hour to an hour. That looks yummy, don't it? All right, let's cut the heat and let's take this over the table and try it out. All right, so here is our bowl of chili. Load her up with some oyster crackers. I got some cheese and a little bit of hot sauce because I like it spicy. Let's try it out. Wow, that was really good. That was hot, but that was because it just kind of came off the stove. It's got really good strong flavor, and it's not overpowering. Because what's nice is about chili is it's always great the next day. Like, that's how I've always kind of been taught when cooking chili, is that as long as it tastes good when you make it the day of, it will taste great tomorrow. And so the fact that this tastes pretty good as is right now means it'll taste even better tomorrow. But as long as it tastes good right now, that is all that matters. It's a really deep, rich chili. I don't put a lot of beans in it because I would rather just have the meat, and that's just a personal thing for me. I'm not a big bean person, and so I'm willing to put a can of beans in there just because. I also like to load it up with cheese and crackers and hot sauce and all that. So, but overall, excellent. I haven't made chili in a minute, so I'm glad I still got it. But this is fantastic. It's hot, but it's fantastic. And especially on a cold day, like today, yeah, this one's a crowd pleaser. Yeah, this is one of those you eat for dinner or you sleep well that night. But there you have it, guys, homemade chili. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button next to it. Comment down below, tell me what you think. Tell me how you make chili. There you go, that's a good one. Tell me how you make chili. And As always, guys, peace out.